I'm sure you've heard the news, winter is here and colds are too. But fear not, we've got your back. First up, wash those hands. Germs spread like wildfire, but a good scrub-a-dub can keep them at bay. Next, stay hydrated. Water, juice, or even soup, keep those fluids flowing. Your body will thank you. Don't forget your vitamins. Vitamin C from oranges or a supplement can give your immune system a little boost. Dress in layers. Keep warm and cozy to avoid getting chilled. Plus, it's an excuse to rock that favorite sweater. And finally, sleep. Make sure you and the kiddos are getting plenty of Z's. A well-rested body fights off colds better. So wash up, drink up, suit up, and snooze away. Stay healthy and enjoy the winter wonderland. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.